Hi everyone, welcome to Online Learners. Today we learn about the JCL introduction. So full form of JCL, that is JCL is stand for Job Control Language. Who invented JCL? So that was invented by Fred Brooks, the person who led the creation of IBM's systems and 360 mainframe, including its job control language, that is JCL. So the big question that is, what is JCL? So JCL is a scripting language. It's used to communicate with the MVS operating system. So MVS, that is a multiple virtual storage. Use JCL to run jobs on MVS operating systems. Job control language, that is JCL, is command language of multiple virtual storage MVS, which is commonly used operating system in the IBM Mainframe computers. The next is the mainframe environment. What is the use of JCL in mainframe environment? It is used for programs can be executed in batch and online modes. So we can see in further session what is batch and online modes. JCL is used for submitting a program for execution in batch mode. So what is JCL in mainframe? So we are using the JCL, that is job control language, in IBM Mainframe operating system to instruct the system on how to run a batch job or a start a subsystem. So that is the main purpose of JCL, that is how to run a batch job or a start a subsystem. So JCL is a set of control statements that provide the specification necessary to the process a job. It is the interface between the requirements or instruction in your program and the MVS operating system. So JCL, it identifies the program to be executed or not, the inputs that are required and location of the input output, and informs the operating system through the job control statement. In mainframe environment, programs can be executed in batch and online modes. So JCL is used for submitting a program for execution in a batch mode. So every batch job must be accompanied by instructions for the operating system to ensure that it is a process as required. These instructions are written in job control language or JCL. The JCL informs the operating system which programs are to be executed within the job and which datasets are required for each program. The JCL also uniquely identifies each job to system through the job statement. Running several programs in simultaneously is more efficient use of hardware than running one at a time, but create problems for a resource allocation. The operating system handles the allocation problem by determining the resource needs of each job from the JCL. So it is all about the JCL introduction. Thank you. For the deep analysis of JCL, we can see in further sessions.